Today I wanted to do an unboxing on this teeth whitening. These are purple whitening teeth strips. They use color correction technology. It does take about 30 minutes to apply, but it does say that it whiten after one use. Comes in a nice little box just like this, not too big, not too small. It is hydrogen peroxide free. This does have niacinamide. This does have niacinamide and nanohydroxyapatite. It does say that 96% of participants had 2 or more shades of improvement tested for results. In order to go ahead and use this, you'll peel off the strip, apply it to your teeth, give it 30 minutes, and then clean or brush your teeth. Here are the ingredients so that you have that in there. Inside the box, you're going to find that you do have a tooth color chart so that you can kind of chart where your teeth are at and how much progress that you make. You're also going to have a nice little user manual just so that you know that you have the right fit and how to properly use them. It does say to go ahead and avoid using these teeth strips immediately after brushing, and that they are not for people with incomplete enamel cavities, cracks, and severe tooth sensitivity. So just keep that in mind. And then on the inside, you are going to have all of these packets in order for you to go ahead and use. They are all individually wrapped. They have an easy peel kind of opening. You'll see they are enamel safe. And then on the back of each of these, you'll see that there is some more step-by-step instructions and things to avoid. You do want to store these in a dry, cool place. You get lots of packets to go ahead and use. If this is a product you are considering, this is what you get. This is something the manufacturer has sent me in exchange for my honest, unbiased opinion. Hopefully this review has helped you decide if it's the right product for you or not. But overall, it looks like it would work. There are 14 packets in this box, so it will give you 2 weeks of consistent use.